Okay, fine. See, okay, guys, let me reiterate one more time. See, futures, we are going to discuss about style, simple dynamic type, strongly typed, strongly typed. You know, right? What is the purpose of dynamic type and strongly typed? What is the purpose of strongly typed and dynamic type? Devaraj, Abhishek.
Data type.
Data type. Python runtime it will decide. Okay. It will decide. It will decide at runtime. Am I right or wrong? Data type will be decided at runtime. Whereas Java strongly typed. Why I am saying a strongly typed? Because I am declaring a variable with the data type. Whereas in Python, I am declaring a variable.
No, sir.
Am I declaring a variable? Guys, please
No,
unmute
sir.
and talk. Nothing wrong in it.
No,
All
sir.
are freshers. Please unmute and talk. Nothing wrong in it. Are we declaring a variable, ma, here?
No,
We are
sir.
not declaring any variable. We are just telling I equal to 5. Suppose, sir, name equal to Narendra. Will it take automatically a string type?
Yes, sir.
It will take.
It will take. It will take at runtime or compile time?
Runtime.
Runtime. So, Python is more faster than Java, or Java is more faster than Python?
Python is more
Comparatively.
Faster than Java.
Python is more faster than Java in terms of writing the code, running the code. Am I right or wrong? Now tell me, if a Python is executing as an interpreter, whether the code can be easily visualized in any program? It is not converting. A direct plain code can visible. Am I right or wrong? Loganathan, Saravanan.
Yes, that's right.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Is
sir.
the code is secure? Whatever the code you are writing in Python is secure?
Yes, sir. No secure.
Come again?
Not secure.
Not secure. Why? Because it is not converting into a byte code. It is a plain code everyone can able to see. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whereas
Yes,
in
sir.
Java and C#.NET, is it a compiled code? Will people can understand what code will be written? No, right?
No, not understanding.
And this code will run under a virtual machine. What is that virtual machine? Java virtual machine. .NET will have JIT compiler. Without those compiler or virtual machine, am I able to run a program?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, Java will have a secured code. Python will have a little bit of unsecured code. Am I right or wrong? But still, come to the few more features, you will understand why people are choosing Python in the global market. Performance. I'm going to talk about performance. See, usually slower for CPU, slower for CPU heavy code. If you use interpreter, the entire code will go and sit in the CPU or not? Am I right or wrong? The memory will be more or not?
Yes.
How many of you correct me? See, what is memory? What is memory, ma?
Storage.
Say I have a calculator.
Storage.
Okay, let's say I'm going to open a task manager, ma. This is my task manager. This memory is nothing but my CPU. CPU stands for RAM memory. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting answers. Others are listening, not able to understand. I want answer from you guys.
Yes,
Rubini,
yes, sir. Yeah.
Ramesh Nonia, Rubini Ishwaramurthy, Santosh, Sarfaz Khan, Srinidhi, Vimit Thakur. You guys are understanding or not? Say sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this information will be CPU. Whenever I run a program, it will purely depend on CPU heavy program. It will purely depend on CPU code. Understand my point? So whereas in Java, since it is a bytecode conversion, when you use a bytecode, it will run under a zeros or ones. It will run under zeros or ones or not. Say
Yes,
sir.
zeros and ones.
So compared to Python, building Java and running Java is faster or slower?
Faster.
Faster. Can I say Java is high performance? Can I say Java is high performance?
Yes.
Yes.
Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What about C Sharp, sir? It is also high
High
performance.
Performance.
High performance.
For what reason both are high performance, ma? For what reason both are high performance?
It
They're
will run
already
bytecode.
converted to zeros and ones.
Come again?
They're already converted to zeros and ones, so it is easy for system to process the data.
So CPU load of zeros and ones is good. CPU load of high level language converting into low level language and then execution by using Python. Is it a heavy load for the CPU?
Zeros
Which
and
one
ones
is?
are low load, but
So that is the reason performance wise Python is little bit slower. Understand? Do you have any questions?
No,
Do you
sir.
have any questions? So for the 3 points, can I go for a few more points?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Typing of data. It is the dynamic data or a static data?
Dynamic.
It is dynamic. This one?
Static.
Static. Why we are saying this is a static and why we are saying this is a dynamic?
At the type declaration, the variable we need to give the data types.
Okay. So Python is having a dynamic data. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
The next point we are having
Why didn't
web development. Web development. In Python, we are having a Django framework, Flask framework to develop a web fast API. Understand my point?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In web development, you can use Django for web application and fast API for API development. Whereas in Java, how are you going to build a web development?
Spring
REST
Boot
APIs.
microservice.
Spring Boot.
Microservices.
Forget about microservices. Spring Boot is the main technology for building web application. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Whereas in C#.NET, we have ASP.NET Core MVC. See, enterprise application required a Django or Spring Boot or ASP.NET. Which one is the best choice? By seeing this execution, which one is the great choice?
Spring Boot ASP.NET Core.
Why? Why not Django Flask?
Unsecure.
Think about it. Loganathan, Lakshmi Manasa.
Performance.
Why not Django Flask or Fast API? These are running in client side. These are running in server side. Am I right or wrong? Hello? Guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Because those are interpreter language. These are programming language. So Python is an interpreted language or a programming language?
Interpreted.
Interpreted language. The Java and C# are?
Programming language.
Now you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next topic, next feature, what will be the best feature for Python? Can anyone tell me? I have a data science AI. Which one is best? Which one will be fit for which programming language is fit?
Python is Python.
Why Python is fit?
Python is interpreted language.
Intermediate language within an organization level, I'm going to have a data science and AI. Am I right? I'm going to run artificial intelligence or data science within a company or outside the company.
Within a company.
Within a company. So using Python is the right choice, or using Java or .NET is the right choice?
Python is the right choice.
Python is the right choice. So that people are using data science and AI, you will be excellent. Okay. But in Java, it is limited to build data science and AI. They are not omitting, it is limited. Okay. But here in .NET, growing, still it is growing. People are not implementing data science projects in C#.NET. Understand my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
do you all understand why we are using data science using Python? Come on, guys. Do you all understand why we are using Python for data science? Am I audible or not?
Yes, yes, sir.
Rubini,
Yes,
how many of you understand? Please say yes or no. I'm not getting answer from you. Do you all understand or not? Please, guys, unmute. Nothing wrong in it.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So, when you learn data science or AI, what is the programming language is best fit for your future?
Python.
Java or Python?
Python.
Python. Do you all understand? For building web development, which one is the best?
Java and C#.
Java and C#.
Sir, one question here.
For doing data science, which one is best? Python.
Python.
Understand my point? Say I am a company, I need a data, which we discussed yesterday, day before yesterday. I'm a company, I need a data. Where you will get the data? Where you will get the data?
From
From a web application. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Without a web application, user enter data for you? Guys.
No.
So to build a web application, can I go with Java .NET is a good, or go with the Python is a good?
Java is good.
Java is a good. After receiving the data, I'm going to apply a data science or AI on top of the data. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
So to build data science or AI, you require a data. To build data science or AI, you require a data or not?
Yes, data is required.
Data is required.
Hi, sir. Sir, I have a question here.
Yeah,
So
please, Abhishek.
why it is interpreted, sir? Python, why it is interpreted, and why not?
It is not a compile. It won't compile the programming. That is how they designed.
Mm-hmm.
See, why it is interpreted means they are already designed the programming of Python is interpreted language.
Okay.
Whereas in Java and C#.NET, they first compile and that DLL or EXE will be get executed. Understand my point?
Yes,
Whereas
sir.
in Python, you won't get any executable files.
Okay.
On fly, this code will execute.
Okay.
Clear my point, Abhishek?
Yeah, I'm clear, sir. But in case of web development, so Django framework, it will get interpreted language. How it will utilize in front
So
end?
that is the reason. Say they are giving a Django. See, you see in market, the Django framework, Flask or Fast API are not familiar in the market
Yes,
because they have a flaw
sir.
of Python programming. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
See, this data science and AI, I'm going to implement within the organization so that people are using Python. If they are exposing this data science and AI outside the world, they won't go with the Python. They go with either .NET or C#, Java. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Abhishek?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So that is what I'm saying. Getting data from the outside world, either you have to go to these two tools. What are those two tools? Either a Spring Boot or ASP.NET Core MVC.
Okay, sir.
Whereas in the data science, they can go with Python because it runs under within an organization. All the servers, everything will be reside within the organization level. Clear my point?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, got it.
Abhishek?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Yeah.
So that is why people are using data science AI using Python.
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you.
You all got the clarity, ma? Why do I need to learn Python? Why do I need to learn Java? Why do I need to learn C#.NET? Do you have any clarity? Everybody clear with the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Data is in
Yes, sir.
cloud, right?
Come again? Come again? It's a good question. Who has asked that question? Data?
So data is in cloud, right?
Yes, yes, Srinidhi. Data is in cloud. Srinidhi, but you are talking. What is your name? Hello?
Yes, Srinidhi, sir.
Srinidhi, just be not unmute. Unmute yourself. Srinidhi, data is in cloud. Under
Yeah.
the organizational cloud or global cloud?
Yeah, it's an organization.
So organizational cloud means it is within a network or outside the network?
Yeah, within the network.
Within the network means can I use Python or Java?
Yeah, Python.
You got the point, right?
Yes.
See, the point here is data, application, everything will be cloud only. Okay. Whatever application you are building, you are going to deploy that application in the cloud only. Whatever the application you are, whatever the AI functionality you are building, whatever the AI data science feature you are building, everything will be cloud only. But are you going to expose it to outside the world, outside the network? Let's say I have a cloud infrastructure in my organization. Am I going to expose that cloud infrastructure outside the world or within the organization?
Within the organization.
Within the organization. If I have within the organization, can I implement Python with the data science or Java with the data science?
Python with the data science.
Python.
After completing the data science and AI, the result should be displayed to the web framework. For that, I'm going to use either Spring Boot or ASP.NET MVC Core. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear? Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
You got the point, right? Bandi Navi,
Yes, yes.
Jamuna Kurakula. Sorry, I don't
Yes, sir.
know.
I
Jamuna.
understand.
Yeah, please go ahead. Do you have any other questions, ma'am? See, enterprise-based application. What is enterprise-based application, ma'am? Can anyone tell me? You are in ICICI Bank. Is it a ICICI iMobile, ICICI banking network? Those are enterprise applications or a normal applications?
Enterprise applications.
Enterprise applications. Building enterprise application using Python is a good choice or a wrong choice? After understanding all these things.
Wrong choice.
Wrong choice. So
Bad
I can say, come again. Who said bad choice?
Bad means unsecured choice.
Unsecure. Thank you. So I can say we can build, but that's not advisable. But here I can say excellent. Excellent to build enterprise-based applications. So that is why, guys, in market, the demand of .NET or Java is not gone. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even though Python is ruling only because of the data science and
Yeah.
because of data science and AI, but Java.NET forever until and unless even I die, this Java.NET will be forever. Clear my point? Having a 22 years of experience of mine, I'm telling you, this Java.NET nobody can beat. Without a Java.NET, Python will not be used. Without collecting the data from the Java.NET, you cannot work on AI or data science. How many of you agree with the point?
I agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
I agree.
How many of you agree? I want answer from all of you.
Agree, sir.
Agree, sir.
Agree. Now, learning curve of any developer. Learning Python is easier for beginner. Easier for beginners. Learning Java, moderate. Learning C#.NET, moderate. Understand my point?
Yes,
See,
sir.
Java, anyone can easily learn. Even 5th standard student can learn. Even 10th standard student can learn. All they need to know is mathematical calculation. Understand my point? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Even a 7th, 6th standard student, if they use their vacation in the April month, they can easily learn Java. They can easily learn Python. But they can't able to learn Java or .NET because they need to have bit of programming knowledges. At least they should understand C and C++. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My point is valid or not?
Yes, it is valid.
How many of you say my point is valid?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's a valid point.
Okay, you
Yes.
all understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, there is a last point I'm going to discuss. What is the IDE to execute these programming languages? Popular IDEs. What is IDEs? I will tell you, don't worry. IDEs means integrated development environment. Here, you can use VS Code as an IDE or PyCharm. These are all the two IDEs we are going to use. Whereas in Java, we will use IntelliJ or
Eclipse.
Eclipse. Whereas in C#, Visual Studio.NET. Visual Studio by Microsoft. Now tell me, Ma, how you feel about the difference between Python, Java, C#.NET? Is it a good or bad?
Good, sir.
You all got the clarity that why people are using Java in organization, why people are using .NET in organization, why people are using Python in organization. See, you guys are entering into a job market. When you are entering into a job market, you should have a clarity that what companies are using and what purpose they are using these programming languages. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So do you all get the clarity that why do you need to go for Python? Why do you need to go for Java? Why do you need to go for C#.NET? All are programming language, but everybody have their own uniqueness. Everybody is a faculty. Only few become a master. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Everybody can do driving a car. Only the experienced person can drive a car where no accident can happen. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way, Python, Java, .NET, they are unique in their own areas. They are master in their own areas. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you guys decide in which path you want to go. You want to go as a web developer? You want to go as a data science analyst? You want to go as an enterprise application builder? These three will decide your career. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
These three will
Yes, sir.
decide your career. As a fresher, these three will decide your career. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Who will decide your career, ma?
Me only.
No. Yeah, you only. But what programming language you are choosing, for what purpose, what you want to be? You want to be a web developer, or you want to be an enterprise application developer? You want to be a data science scientist? You decide based on this, you choose the technology. Before I'm going to give why I'm giving this as a fresher is, no, lot of people talk, you learn Python, you will get a job. You learn Java, you get a job. Your father told, your mother told, your brother told. These are all the questions are coming. You decide what you want to be. You want to be a web development. You want to be an enterprise application developer. You want to be a data scientist or machine learning scientist. You decide your career based on this. That is the main reason I given you this particular stuff from the day 2. Clear my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How many of you understand my worth that I'm explaining what you want to be?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, Jamuna, go ahead.
But why faculty tell learn only Java, sir?
Come
Always they
again.
are telling faculty will always tell that learn Java only, sir.
Which faculty?
But in our college they are telling learn Java. They are forcing like that. It is more important like that. But we have to learn A or ML means we need only Python, right, sir?
See,
We
if you
told that.
need Jamuna, I
Yes, sir.
understand. I understand. If you want to do a data science or AI, you need to learn Python.
Yeah.
If you
But
need to develop a web development or enterprise application, you can learn Java or .NET.
but we have started everyone Python full stack, sir. Already off completed, but now they are telling that Java learn Java like that. So.
Python full stack, what is the purpose? Where you are learning, I don't know. What is the purpose of
Coding.
Python full stack? Just a second, let me stop recording.